McQueen, you're getting a new movie.
No. Yeah.
Plus, you're going to be defeated. Plus, you're going to lose your sponsorship.
No.
And then you're gonna be teached by a rookie.
No.
You could retire early after this.
No.
But on the upside, the movie's great. Looking great in the trailer, at least.
No.
On the downside, you look like a loser here in the movie.
No.
Thank you for watching the video, and please watch the ads from the skip ad so you can help my channel grow. Thank you. And here's a bloopers of the outtakes. Bye. McQueen, you're getting a shit. You're getting a new movie. McQueen, you're getting a new movie. McQueen, babe, you're going to get crushed.